Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up or configure or set up your uh, remote setup or remote site settings in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to our setup and then we need just to search for remote site settings. So from there, we need just to type remote and we go to the remote site settings. So from here, we need just to create a new remote site and then you can give it a name, and then you enter the URL for the remote site that you want to add. And you will need just to use the URL. Basically, it can be g.com, for example. And let's just click here and basically we need just to add some https like that and click on save, and now we will have our remote site settings. So from there you can just click on this one and you can click on edit and you add your URL, and by this you have perfectly or easily added your remote site setting. And now you can start adding to disable protocol security, which is not really advisable. And as you can see, to access this remote site regardless of HTTP or HTTPS session securities, and for security reason just make it unchecked. And after that you will need just to add some description if you would like to have more clarification, and click save. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.